Welcome to Useful Tips. Here we'll show you how to fix Instagram app keep crashing on your Android devices. First of all, make sure your Instagram app update with latest version. Open Play Store. Tap on profile icon at top right corner. Tap on manage apps and device. Here you can see recent update or see details. Tap on Instagram and check if available update or not on your device. If update available, update your app. You can also clear Instagram cache, pull down notification pane at the top, tap on a setting gear icon at bottom right, tap on apps, tap on see all apps. Now find the Instagram app, scroll down until see Instagram, tap on it. Now tap on a storage and cache, tap on a clear cache. You can also clear storage or clear data. It will delete all app data from your device. If you still have phishing issue, you can force stop Instagram app using same settings. Go to settings, apps, Instagram, force stop, tap on OK to force stop. You can also check for system software update on your stock Android device. Go to settings, scroll down and tap on a system. Tap on a system update. Now check for update if available update on your device. If none of the above given method work for you, you need to uninstall Instagram app. Long press the Instagram app. Tap on eye icon. Tap on uninstall. You can also use Play Store setting to go to Play Store. Profile icon at top right corner. Manage apps and device. Tap on Instagram. Make sure to enable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Tap on Instagram. Tap on uninstall. Tap on uninstall to uninstall the app. That's it. Like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.